So what's up guys, today is part 3 or 4, I think it's 4, of the shooter game in Scratch. So today we're going to try adding new guns and then switching the upgrade system a tiny bit so it can fit with the new guns. And so let's get right into it because there's a lot to do today. So the first thing is we're going to create a lot of variables, and I mean a lot of variables. The first is going to be bullet speed upgrade, and then the damage upgrade. And now I think you can see where I'm going with this. We're gonna go fire rate upgrade and speed upgrade. Now there's gonna be 2 new guns I'm adding. Not really guns, shooting style, because this triangle doesn't carry a gun, as you can see. Now the first shooting style is the machine gun style, so I'm gonna just name it machine gun, and I'm gonna put unlocked behind it. And then the next shooting type is the shotgun type, so I'm gonna do shotgun unlocked. And finally, one more variable. You'll go to the upgrade sprite and then make a variable available, and then for the sprite only is required. So the first thing we're going to start off is a bit of adjustment to the upgrade system. Now the first thing we're going to do is when we get the guns upgrade or the bounce and the backfire upgrade, now we shouldn't be able to get it one more time after getting that upgrade because it's now unlocked and there's no point in doing that again. So what we're going to do is we're going to code in my blocks, create a block, name it check if available, and then we're going to click around screen refresh, and then you can drag it to the side for now. So the first thing we're going to do is go to control, get a repeat until, and then now take those out of there. Just put the switch costume 2 in that repeat until. We're going to do repeat until equals available is true. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set available to false when it receives level up. So now what we're going to do is go to my blocks, get the check if available block, and then put it in the repeat until loop. So for the check if available, it's actually pretty long. We're going to do go to control, get a if else statement. We're going to do equals, and then actually costume name. This will be easier when you add other upgrades and you may have to switch orders, and you probably will have to, or actually maybe not, probably not. So if costume name equals back, which in my case it's the back shooting upgrade, we're gonna do control if else operators equals, we're gonna get backfire and then check if that is true. So if it is, we're going to set available to false, and then if it isn't, which means that you haven't got the upgrade yet, we're going to set it to true. So there you go. And then we can duplicate that and then do it for the other upgrades that has a true false result, I guess. Costume name equals bounce, that's the bounce upgrade, and then we're going to have to switch this to bounce, and then the rest is going to be fine. Just duplicate that again, and then next time it's going to be machine gun. That is my machine gun upgrade icon, which I don't have, so I'm going to quickly get that. So I've got my machine gun and the shotgun I drew before the, the recording and stuff. So this is, rapid firing shotgun, the bullets spread a bit. So now what we're going to do is continue on with this. So we're going to change this to machine gun unlocked. We're going to duplicate that once more, name it shotgun, and then change this to shotgun unlocked. Now you probably have more, but I'm going to move on because this is all I have. make a lot of cool guns. You know, it's fun if you have a lot. So we're going to go to my blocks, create a new block, name set variables, since you know it's getting a bit messy with a lot of variables we're creating now. So we're going to uh, get all of these in here, and I'm gonna put those back, and then I'm gonna put this below there and clean up. So I'm gonna leave that for now and then move on, because we're gonna have to add a lot more later on. Or actually, we can be smart and add it right now. So let's go to variables. Let's set uh, bullet speed upgrade to 0. Let's set backfire to false. Let's set bounds to false. And then let's set damage upgrade to 0. Then let's set fire rate upgrade to 0. And let's set speed upgrade to 0. Let's now set again to false. Machine gun unlocked. And finally, shotgun unlocked. Like that. And then now we're going to go to the bullet sprite and then remove these backfire and bounce from the code, because we did it in the upgrades. Now, for the bullets, we have to, you know, get the new shooting types in, and so make it so we can switch between mods. So we're going to do it with this code. What we're going to do is create a new variable, name it mod. This will be the shooting mod you're currently in. You can, yeah. And we can set our mod mode, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to set it to 1. That is going to be, you know, the pistol-ish shooting type sort of a thing. Now we're going to move the fire rate to right over here. We're going to set the damage, which is right here, to the damage, which is 1. And actually, okay, the speed. We're going to get rid of this speed and then come to the bullet. We're going to set the speed, which is right down here somewhere, right there, to 1. And we're going to go to the sprite where we did the set damage, which is right here. We're going to remove that, including the bullet speed. So we're going to remove that. Let's go to the bullets. Now we're going to do bullet speed and 20. So there you go. Those are mostly it, I'm pretty sure. Or that is it. I think it is it. So we'll go to control, get a forever loop, and then go to my blocks, create a block, name it manage mode. And then we're gonna run with a screen refresh. And I can quickly clean it up and scroll down a bit, and then we'll do control, if statement, if key 1 is pressed, which is right down here, and then we're going to duplicate this right over here, and then we're going to duplicate, and then we're going to change this to key 3 pressed and key 2 pressed. Now the 2 is going to be the machine gun, so I'm going to change the stats accordingly. So the mode will be 2, fire rate I think 0.1, bullet speed, I'm gonna make it 20, and I'm gonna actually switch the pistolish type shooting thing to 22, a bit faster. The damage is gonna be 0.75. The speed is gonna be a bit slower, 0.7. For the shotgun, the key 3 press, the mode is 3. The fire rate, I'm gonna make that 1.25. The bullet speed, I think I'm gonna make it a bit slow with 18, and then the damage, it's gonna be 2, and then the speed, I think it's gonna be 1.2, since it's a close range weapon, so I think you want to be fast and stuff. with the weapon. And I think that's good. And then now actually we have to add a if statement. If equals machine gun unlocked is true. If it is, we will be able to switch to mode 2. Now for the mode 3, we're going to do shotgun unlocked. So now basically there's one more thing we are currently missing, and that is applying the upgrades. So we'll do adjust val by upgrades. Create that block, select run without screen, refresh, and then we're going to put it below every single, one of those at the end. And then what we're going to do is come up here and we're going to change bullet speed by, and then change damage by, then change fire rate by, and change speed by. I think those are the fours. And what I'm gonna do is go to operators, get a multiplication sign for each one of them, and then go to variables, get bullet speed upgrade, put it in the bullet speed, the damage upgrade, put it in the damage, fire rate upgrade, put it in the fire rate, and the speed upgrade, put it into the speed. Now for the bullet speed, we're gonna do 0.5, or actually 0.25. And then for the damage, we're going to do 0.5. The speed, we're going to do negatives. No, it's actually 0.2. And for the fire rate, we're going to do negative 0.2. So those are going to be the upgrade applying thing. So basically how you choose those is you come to upgrades and you see 0.5, 0.2 and stuff. That is basically the same thing, so you can do that. And actually we added two new upgrades, so we have to add two new if else statement to the chosen upgrade slot. So equals 7 and 8. We're going to set uh, machine gun unlocked and set shotgun unlocked to true. And we can come up and then change not bullet speed, but bullet speed upgrade, change speed. I mean, not speed, but speed upgrade by 1. And every single one of the number ones has to be 1. So change damage upgrade by 1, change fire rate upgrade by 1, and we will change actually, I think I did all. So the reason why we're doing this is because when we switch guns, we're resetting the data values, and which means the upgrades won't really apply unless we do this. So this is that's why we're using this method. So yeah. So now if we try out, nothing should work yet because even though the upgrade should show, we haven't actually applied the new methods of shooting. So that is what we're gonna do now. So the first thing we're going to do is come here, the dir equals front. We're going to duplicate that and then put it in the else section. And then we're going to, if dir equals a back, that will be good. And for the else, which means not front or back, we're going to do plus dir, like that. And we're gonna come up to this green flag forever, the shooting cloning thing, and then we're gonna do operators and get a or, put it in the one behind, and get two equal sign for the or, and then equals, and then get mode or mod, whatever you want to call it, put it in the first slot of each equal sign, put 1 and 2, and then you can drag this conditions and join it with the mod equals 1 and 2, and you can put it in here. Now the reason why I did 1 and 2 is the machine gun and the pistolish shooting type thing, which means they will all be shooting forward in one direction, and that's why I did that. But the thing is, when we do shotguns, that is not the case. So we're gonna have to change it into a different shooting type. So just change that to if else rather than if, which currently is if. And then you can leave everything inside normal. It should work for the pistol and the machine guns now. You can try it out. Now what we're going to do is duplicate this entire code, put it down here, and then what we're going to quickly take that out for a second. We're going to duplicate that once, duplicate that twice, and duplicate two of these again. So now you should end up with um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of set dirty front and create clone of myself. Now we're gonna get these back and put it at the bottom of all those codes. We're gonna do set dir to 20, set dir to 40, set dir to 0, set dir to -20, set dir to -40, and actually that is all we need, so I can get rid of the last set of set dir and create a clone of myself. So what this will do now is clone bullets like crazy, and yeah, now I have reached 300 clone limit and stuff, so yeah, so this is what's going to happen right now. And then you don't really want this to happen, so the way to solve this is get a if statement, put it around the shotgun cloning thing, and we can duplicate all of this, and then get rid of this or, and then take this out of the and get rid of the and as well. Put that in there, and now it should be working fine. So there you go. We are getting a lot of backs for some reason. Okay, so this is there is a problem in this right now, I think. Okay, so we haven't switched to 1 to 8, so we're going to switch it to 1 to 8. Now it should work a lot better, actually. Oh, okay, there is a problem, actually. So, this empty else right here, you're going to have, added a lot more, but there still is going to be an else left after all of those. We're actually going to set available to true. We're going to put that in right there. So you can actually get the other upgrades. And then, this is going to solve the problem. And we'll try the two new guns, the machine gun. Now, currently, it is the pistol. And, ooh, there is a problem, I think. Or maybe not. Okay, so quickly gonna check out bounce. So bounce is true, which means I think I haven't removed something yet. We're gonna force set bounce to false. So now it's false, but yeah, so now it works for some reason. So there you go. The problem was something. So we're gonna try the new gun, shotgun. Now currently it's the pistol because we haven't switched yet. So we're gonna press number 3 on our keyboard, and then there should be the new shotgun method with the bullets spreading and a lot longer cooldown. Now if you don't like the amount it's spreading, maybe it's too big for you, you can come to the bullet sprite and then adjust it from here. For example, I can do 15, 30, and -15, -30. I'll leave the 0. And now if you choose the bounce upgrade, now the shotgun bullets will bounce off and everything. And yeah. And actually, I think, yeah, so it has to be -15, not -25. So I'll choose damage. And let's see, I think I got that upgrade a bit too fast. Oh no, there is no problem with the upgrades. Okay, so that is how you add more guns. Now let's go try the machine gun upgrade. Okay. Am I being unlucky, or is machine gun upgrade not a thing? Machine gun upgrade is a thing? Maybe... Okay, machine gun unlocked is true for some reason. So I'm gonna force set that to false, because it was true for some reason and, ruined a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna choose a random upgrade, press number 2, and it doesn't work because I just reset it. So I'm gonna reset the project. There you go, machine gun upgrade right there. We're gonna click on it, press 2, and then you see we have the rapid firing and everything. So that's cool. But there is a problem that it's keep on setting stuff to true on its own, which I do not want. And I can't seem to find it, so oh, actually, oh my god, we are gonna put the set variables right there, so it actually sets the variable. Oh my god, I can't believe that was the problem. Okay, so now you do that and the problems should be fixed and everything, so now it should be working totally fine. In my opinion, I like the shotgun upgrade more, but I think the machine gun upgrade is a lot better for battle. So that is just my personal opinion, and leave your opinion down in the comments below. I'll be interested in seeing it. So, share your upgrades, share the new shooting tip and everything. So, and I'll be seeing you in the next upgrade of the shooter game in Scratch. So, peace.